Wow, can't believe you died. A film? No, this is a new film. Oh, no. I was just a new film.
That was close.
Oh, no, no.
What?
Oh, never mind. I thought that was
I know. This one's freaking like cool. Party guy. Yeah. Anthony, no one really knew his personality. He was just like another freaking guy with a helmet on. No one really cared about him. Well, Anthony was a better soldier than him, but no one really knew. Like, if you played the game, because apparently their helmets, they cannot see snipers. The snipers have some type of skin that they cannot see through. I'm coming. Holy crap, holy crap, oh my god. Yeah. Dude, that was freaking stupid. Yeah. Yeah, and Anthony just got shot. Oh guys, look at me, I'm a freaking hero. Oh.
Oh crap, my god. Oh god, Jesus, my
You love to say that, don't you? It's like addicting. I hate when that happens, like a line of a song just gets stuck in your head and you just can't stop saying it. Like you say it inside every single sentence, like I remember I got one song saying, hey, I forgot what it was. Dude, I don't think no one likes Fred anymore. That could have offended some people. I personally hate Fred. He's... Okay, let's get inside the store. I know. Let's get some bacon in here. God, I'm in the mood for bacon now. Oh my god. Oh man, we should have sold Sam. Really. Because I could use some bacon strips right now. Man, dude, I would have freaking survived a lot. Freaking... I would have killed everyone with these bacon strips. That's me.
That was what I did. Nobody told you. Okay, let's see what they got in special this week.
Poor Cole, he thinks that he's dead.
Where's the coffee?
Where's the bacon?
Where's the bacon? See? Me too.
She's empty.
I'm out of ammo. Everything.
Anything useful? Okay.
there, now we've got collars. Have you?
Yeah, ecstatic.
Dude, what the heck? Where's the baseball cap?
It's further inside the game. Well, inside of Slumber.
Nate, this is stop.
I'm gonna look through these weapons back here. See if I can find anything I like. Is there any weapons? Ooh, I like that.
Tell you between a woman and a bargain, dickhead.
Holy crap, man, my camcorder is about to die. It's like red. It's the red zone right now. It's inside the red zone right now. I'm trying to finish this film and yeah. Then we can. We can't keep on playing this because this is a walkthrough right now. And then people will be like, what the crap's going on? You skipped it. This is not a walkthrough. Yeah. But we still won't have the same stuff though. Dude, why can't you play on multiplayer anyways? Oh, you don't need the map packs. No, you just need an update for it, not map packs. I'm coming, I'm coming. What's the Easter egg?
Dibs here.
What the heck? Dude, you freaking stole it!
How did I get the thing? How did I get the hat?
You freaking stole it!
This is the hat? No, dude, I didn't know that the hat was here. I thought that meant like which way are we gonna go? Like I go backwards, you go like forward. Yo, Baker, are you gonna be on tomorrow? Yeah. I'm probably gonna go to bed like right now, like after this video. So I'm very, very tired. My eyes are like starting to shut. Like my head's starting to hurt. Like I am super tired. It's like 2.
Oh, the cold train 10, baby. Let's see, Louise, nothing. Ah!
Never saw you play, Cole. Must have been quite something.
Oh, I'm still there, baby.
No,
Yeah?
Get back in the training.
not me.
Yeah.
What's the answer you need help for the chainsaw through some door?
Keep it in balance.
Nothing back here but another door. Well, let's check it out.
Alright, well,